Peanut butter spread, or also known as church spread, is a magical condiment, and I say magical because of the way people's eyes light up when they taste it. It makes the perfect gift and is literally as easy as stirring and putting it into an airtight jar. That's assuming that you don't end up keeping the batch for yourself. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. To a bowl, add half a cup of creamy old school peanut butter, a quarter cup of marshmallow fluff, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Hey, I didn't say this was healthy. Give it all a stir until very well combined and there's no streaking left in the mixture. This is the consistency you're looking for. Now, time to jar it up for yourself or your best pals. If you're looking for a super easy way to jazz this up for gift giving, a roll of festive washi tape and a quick wrap around the jar lid gets the job done. Peanut butter spread is a delicious treat to drizzle on your morning toast, biscuits, waffles, over ice cream, you name it. There's probably not much this can't dress up. This recipe makes a batch that will yield you enough to fill up these 2 jars or 3 4-ounce jars, which are perfect for tucking in gift baskets for the holidays. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.